First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back with a Samsung washer Eco Bubble that has a stubborn child lock error. When it's on child lock, you can't operate, you can't use the machine because it won't select any program. Even the start button won't work. If you have a Samsung washing machine, a front loader, and it's giving you a child lock error, press the two buttons simultaneously. The temperature and the rinse option. Press them simultaneously and the child lock will disengage. If you've tried that and the child lock won't go away, do this. Don't panic. Follow these steps. Open the top panel, get to the display board, identify the touchpad, clean it and plug it back. The child lock will disappear. Follow the following steps and you will fix a child lock problem that won't go away. Again, when removing the wires, please take pictures, take a video so that you remember which one fits where, because you have to fit the wires correctly. So this is the motherboard, but the motherboard has no problem, so we have to get to the display board. Remove the screws. Like on Samsung, there are like 3-4 screws holding the display, the motherboard to the dashboard casing. There you go. So that is the touchpad. Clean that, ensure it fits well, and plug it back. The machine will work well. Child lock will disappear. You see, like on this one, it was affected by roaches. So they left behind this, when they secrete those things, wet surface, unfortunately it engaged the child lock. So it's simple. Do this and the child lock error will be fixed. I love you guys and remember to subscribe. I'm out.